Kling AI is an advanced video generation model developed by Kuaishou Technology, a leading Chinese tech company. It transforms text prompts and images into high-quality videos, leveraging state-of-the-art AI technologies to produce realistic and imaginative content. Key features: text-to-video and image-to-video generation. Kling AI can create videos directly from textual descriptions or by using images as initial frames, offering unmatched flexibility in content creation. High-resolution output. It generates videos in up to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring exceptional clarity and smooth motion. Realistic motion simulation. By utilizing a 3D spatiotemporal joint attention mechanism, Kling AI models complex motions that adhere to real-world physics, delivering lifelike results. Flexible aspect ratios. It supports various aspect ratios, making it adaptable for different platforms and use cases. We'll dive into each of these features in detail, but first, let's explore the homepage to get started.